Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Closing the scanner cover on a Brother printer is a simple task that sometimes feels tricky if the lid stays locked in an upright position. This usually happens because of the built-in support arm designed to keep the unit open during maintenance or ink replacement. To close the cover properly, start by using both hands to lift the scanner unit slightly higher than its current resting point. Lifting it up just an inch or two helps release the internal locking mechanism that keeps the arm engaged. Once you have lifted it, look at the left side of the machine to find the plastic support bar. Gently push this support bar back toward the rear of the printer or toward the base depending on your specific model. While you are holding the bar back, slowly lower the scanner cover down toward the main body of the printer. It is very important that you do not force the cover down if you feel any resistance. Forcing the lid can snap the plastic hinges or damage the support arm permanently. Check to see if any USB cables or phone cords are caught in the way, as these often block the cover from shutting completely. Ensure that the scanner glass is clear and that no thick documents are preventing a flush fit. Once the path is clear, let the cover rest firmly against the printer base until it clicks into place. Your Brother printer is now ready for use, and you can resume your printing or scanning tasks without any further error messages appearing on the digital display screen.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.